Now we have here the integral of x squared plus 2x minus 3 over x raised to 4 dx. So if you encounter like this, take note that yung denominator mo ay one term lang. So whenever yung denominator mo ay one term lang, you can divide this one by one. Okay? Or pwede mo siyang i-separate. So we can rewrite this one as ganito. Or x squared over x to the fourth. Lagyan lang natin ang parenthesis. Plus. Okay, kasi plus yan. Okay, 2x over x to the fourth. This is applicable if, again, one term lang yung nasa denominator mo. Okay? Denominator meaning nandito sa baba. Now, you can integrate it one by one. Okay, according to integration rules. So, this one will become, okay, simplify muna natin, over x squared. Ito, that's 2. Tapos x cubed. You can just apply the properties of exponent, no? If division, subtract yung iyong exponent. Okay? So, ganyan. You can just directly integrate that. So, the first one, 1 over integral of 1 over x. All our variables ay nasa baba. What you have to do is to transfer it on the numerators. Basically, magiging x raised to negative 2. Ayan. Tapos, itong isa magiging 2x to negative 3. Tapos, yung ito, 3 raised to negative 4 dx. So, if you will, integrate that one, that will become x negative 1 over negative 1. Tapos itong isa, kasi negative yan, so it will become negative 2 x negative 2 over, that is negative 2. Tapos itong isa, negative times negative, okay, it will become positive, so plus, yan siya, 3x negative 3 over 3. Okay? Na-negative ko na pala to. Positive pala yan. Okay? Plus C. Plus C na lalagay natin. So, simplify mo na lang. So, that is now then, let's simplify that. It will become 1 over negative because that's negative there. 1 over x. This one will become negative because cancel out 2. That's 1 over x squared. Tapos positive because negative times negative. 1 over x cubed plus c because it's an indefinite integral.